transportation. Food can go bad if not correctly shipped. The problem occurs because of temperature and time controls. If the temperature is not right, dairy products can go bad very quickly. Similarly, if not eaten within a specific period, fresh produce can go bad. The world loses a lot of food because of transportation issues. Most of the problems occur because of water in the food, which allows the bacteria to grow. Our solution to this issue is a three-step process: dehydrating the food at a factory, crushing it into a powder, and then sealing it into airtight bags and shipping. Once it reaches its destination, we will rehydrate it, turning the powder into a certain type of food. We will now demonstrate the solution in a skit which we have exaggerated a bit to give it some character.
Let's get to work, boys.
They are taking the water out of the food and dehydrating it. Now a rainbow unicorn will crush it into powder.
Whee! Whee!
Oh. Now they will load the powder into airtight bags. Now they will load it into a truck. Speed bump. Boom. Speed bump. Boom. Come in. We're here. Jump. There we go.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Hello?
Here's your food.
I may be mistaken, but I'm pretty sure that's dust.
This is food in the shape of dust. It's so that bacteria doesn't grow on.
Okay.
May we come in and show you?
Sure.
Where is your sink?
It's over there.
All right. First step is to dump all the powder onto your plate. And then you get a little bit of water, and then you pour it onto the food. And then, bam! A hamburger, French fries, Caesar salad, and potatoes. Would you like to try a sample?
Yes, I would.
Here's a copy of the opening and closing speech.
Okay.
Thank you for giving us your time. I will now summarize our research projects and the journey we have undertaken. We started as a large team, but its size was reduced as we went along. We read material off websites and checked the FLL website. Then we discussed facts we had never heard of before. One fact really grabbed our attention, and that was that you don't wash the meat before you cook it. We could even surprise our parents with that. Each team member picked a type of food and then researched its life cycle. Some people picked meat, while others picked fruit or vegetables. We looked at possible contamination while it was being shipped or handled. We picked a problem that we wanted to fix in the world and then decided how we would fix it. Although some of the things we decided to do are possible today, we decided not to be limited because we'll never know what's possible in the future. While we worked on our project, we did the following. Experts came and talked to us, including the person in charge of the school lunches that we eat, a field trip to the school kitchen and walk-in refrigerator to see how our school lunch is prepared and handled safely, talked to parents, family, friends, and older siblings, pestering them about food safety, preparing a skit and a song dance sequence that we presented to our teachers. These are not a part of our presentation today. Presenting the skit and talk we are showing you to our classmates, teachers, and parents. Work closely with the other team from our school to make sure that we are all learning from each other. We have learned a lot about food safety, including washing of the meat and temperature control, and about...
If that's time, we now need to go into the question and answer.
Okay, great. Sounds like you presented it to quite a few groups and that.
the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade at our school.
Wow.
Well, what about the stuff that you did? You said you did stuff at school. What kind of stuff did you do at school for this project?
We researched stuff and decided how our problem would work, or our solution to the problem would work.
What about the cafeteria? Did you say you went to the cafeteria?
A lady came and talked to us, and then she asked us if we would want to go to a high school and go and take a tour of it. So we got to go and watch lunches prepared, go into the walk-in refrigerator and see where everything is stored, and then go into the freezer and see how everything is stored.
Oh, I see.
And then kept the temperature, specific temperature of what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
And they allowed themselves some room because the freezer was negative 10 degrees.
The solution of dehydrating, did you find that? What kind of a reaction did you get from people from dehydrating hamburgers? Things that we usually don't
They
think
were
of.
kind of like, wow, is that possible? But then when the aircraft his thing, they said that we exaggerated.
Mhm.
So it may not be possible like today, but it may be in the future. You know, possible in the future.
What about the other solution about injecting a microorganism into the food? Could you explain that solution too?
That may have been mixed up because that's not our team.
Oh, okay. So, maybe we're looking at the wrong one. Okay. Okay, so maybe it was this one. Oh, okay. So, it has watermelon in there. Is it the report about with watermelon in it?
That was a report that we did we picked a plant or a vegetable and then researched its life cycle.
Oh, okay.
And then
Cool.
decided how it could be contaminated from being born or sowed
Okay.
to.
Oh, so you guys each did individual work too.
Mhm.
That's great. That's great. Beef, apples. Okay, I'm seeing this. Okay, corn. Life cycle of corn and grapes. And potato. Oh, there's watermelon. And there's sources right there. That's good. Chicken. That's good. That's good. All right.
So that was quite extensive.
Wow, you guys put a lot of effort into this project. That's good. That's
It
good.
probably took us about 1 to 2 weeks.
Okay. So this wasn't yours?
Well, the microorganism one wasn't.
That's the
Okay.
other teams.
Oh.
We might have mixed it up with our team from the same school.
I
from our same
see.
school.
Okay.
There's
Okay.
multiple teams sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Good.
In the food preparations in the cafeteria that you visited, did they point out some issues that they deal with all the time? or?
They pointed out that sometimes in the summer when they stored food and milk for the kids, sometimes their freezer would move down and then the milk or whatever food was in there would get contaminated and then they would have to throw it all out so they would be safe and the kids wouldn't get sick.
And they have these little alarm things. She sets them up in the freezers and the refrigerators, so if there's if the power goes out, then the alarm will signal her phone, and then she can go over there and check it out to see whatever she can fix.
Oh, that's good. That's
1 minute
good.
warning.
Did you say 1 minute? Okay, we're good. Let's see. What about, what are you going, what would you say that you're going to do now that you've learned all this stuff? Are you going to try to put a thermometer in your refrigerator or something? something?
I think we're gonna, now that we know that food can get contaminated really easily, we're gonna watch how our parents prepare stuff. So if they don't know that it can get contaminated in that way, we can tell them so we don't eat bad food.
And what was the reaction of your classmates when you shared it with them?
Surprise.
They were surprised?
Yeah, they were surprised.
And what was the surprise? How easily it was
From
contaminated or?
dehydrating it to crushing it to rehydrating.
Okay.
And how easily it can be contaminated and stuff, like I have
And
a
the bacteria
bacteria.
that grows on it.
They probably do a bunch of stuff that they shouldn't.
So if you took your Thanksgiving turkey and tried to wash it in a sink, would like the water droplets get contaminated and then splash on the counter?
Well, the bacteria will splash around in the water because the bacteria grows on the water. So if you splash it all over your meat, now you have bacteria all over your turkey.
So the bacteria mixes in the water, and the water would get out of the sink and then like get all over the
Get
place.
all over your counter.
Yeah, even the germs from when you're washing your hands, some of it might stay in the sink, and then when the water might splash, or if you set your turkey down to wash it, it'll get all
Oh,
over.
Thanksgiving's coming really soon. That's good to know. So you could just cook the
I'm sorry to
turkey.
say, but I have to cut you short.
Okay.